everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until you get it right. Let's start our trial for today. Let's complete the everyday mathematics section from question paper set C of Maths Olympiad for class 6 for the year 2022-23. I'll be attaching all the previous videos solving the questions from the particular set C for class 6 in this video's description, as well as I will attach the entire playlist on the top of this video. You can also go through the entire playlist to understand whichever question you want to, and then we will go on and solve all the questions from the Achiever section. So let's start.
Let's start with question number 41. Question number 41 says, Rachit walks 1500 meter by covering 5 times around a rectangular ground. If the length of the ground is 2 times its breadth, then find its length. So, if the breadth is, say, suppose we take the letter B, then length L will be 2 times it, 2 times the breadth. So, it will be 2B. Length of the rectangular round will be 2B. So now if he is covering how many times around the rectangular ground, he is walking around 5 times. 5 times he is walking. So when he completes the first round, okay, that will give me the perimeter of the ground because he is walking along this line. So that will give me the perimeter of the ground when he covers the first round. So for each round, he is covering the full perimeter of the ground. So if I divide 1500 is the distance that he walks around, total distance that he walks around the ground. If I divide it by 5, what will I get? I will get the perimeter, right? So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, and then 2 zeros. 300 meter is the distance that he covers in one round around the ground, and that is also the perimeter of the ground. So now what is the formula for rectangular ground or rectangle? Perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B, I can equate it with 300. Now I know L is equal to 2B, so I'll put it here. It will become 2B plus B equal to 300. Now what can I do? I can add the numerical coefficients. Like terms, we add the numerical coefficients. So 2B plus B will be 3B and equal to 300. So here we will multiply 2 into 3, it will become 6B equal to 300. I am showing each step so that you do not fall short of understanding any particular step. But when you have to do in Olympiad, you have to do it a little faster. 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30, 0, 50 meter. Okay, then length will be how much? Length will be twice of breadth, which is 100 meter. 2 into 50 we need to do, right? 2 into 50 will be 100 meter. So option B is the correct answer for question number 41. Okay, I hope I'm clear with this solution. If not, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to address the problem. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 41. Question number 41 says, the ratio of the volume of water in bottle P is to the volume of water in bottle Q is 3:4. Rajiv drank 40 ml of the water from bottle P and then the ratio becomes 13:20. How much water was there in bottle P at first? So first we'll write the initial ratio. Initial ratio was P is to Q. Let the water in bottle P be P and Q be Q. So that was initially, the ratio was 3:4. After Rajiv drank 40 ml, then P minus 40 water is left in that bottle and Q bottle is as it is. New ratio becomes 13:20. Now I can write also like a fraction. Ratio you know already. P by Q is equal to 3/4. Why I am writing like this? I want to find the value of Q in terms of P. So I will cross multiply here. So it will become 4P equal to 3Q, and then I can write this 3 I will take to this side. So Q becomes equal to, if 3 is multiplied here, it will go this side and get divided. It will become 4/3 P. Now here I can put the, instead of Q I can write 4 by 3 P to get the value of P. So here also I will write like a fraction, P minus 40 by Q is equal to 13 by 20. Now P minus 40 by 4 by 3 P. 4 by 3 P is equal to 13 by 20. Here it is divided, so I will take this entire thing to the other side and multiply with 13 by 20. Because it is divided, it will go to the other side and become multiplied. So 13 by 20, it will be 20 here, 20 into 4 by 3, right? So 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So it will become P minus 40 equal to 13 is in the numerator, 13 into 1, and denominator is 15, 15 P. So now here I will take this P and get 15, I will multiply it this side. 15 is in the denominator, it's divided, so if it goes to the other side, it gets multiplied. 15P minus 15 into 40. What is 40 into 15? We know 15 into 4 is 60. So it will become 600, right? So here I get 600 after I multiply 15 with 40. Then what remains here is 13P. Now I take the 600 to this side and 13P this to the other side, this side. So it becomes 15P minus 13P equal to 600. Again, so what I get is 2P here, 2P equal to 600. I will solve it here, this place. So it will be P equal to 600 by 2. So it will be 2 ones are 2, 300. So P is 300 ml. Okay. So option is C. For question number 42, option C, 300 ml is the correct answer. Bottle P had 300 ml initially. Okay. I hope I'm clear with the solution. If not, please let me know in the comment section. Let's start with question number 44. Question number 44 says the total cost of flooring a room is rupees 2160. The rate of flooring is rupees 45 per square meter. If the room is 8 meters long, then find its breadth. Whenever flooring is like leveling or flooring or tiling, then understand the question is about area. Okay. So whenever the question is about fencing, then take it to be about perimeter. So for flooring the room, a total cost is 2160. Okay. So how are we arriving at 2160? We are multiplying the area, total area of the room with rupees 45, because rupees 45 is the cost of flooring per square meter. So if I multiply with it 45, what I am arriving at? 2160. So area I can easily find. I just need to divide 2160 by 45. Let's divide. 5 nines are 45 and then 5 fours are 20. 21 minus 20, it 1 comes here, so it becomes 16. 5 threes are 15. 16 minus 15, another 1 comes here. So 5 twos are 10. Now it becomes 9 and 432. 432 is a multiple of 9. Directly we can divide. 9 ones are 9. Then 9 fours are 36. So and then it will become 7. 43 minus 36 will be 7. So 72. 9 eights are 72. So total area comes up to be 48 meter square or square meter, however you want to write. 48 meter square is the area of the floor or the room. So then we know the breadth is not the breadth, we know the length. Length is 8 meters long. What is the formula for area of any rectangular place? Length into breadth. Length into breadth we have already know it's 48. Now we just need to find the breadth. 48 divided by the value of L. What is the value of L? It's given already here, 8. So I put 8 here. 8 ones are 8. 8 6 are 48. So breadth of the room comes up to be 6 meters. Okay. So option D. So question number 44, option D, 6 meters is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 45. Amman appeared for an exam which consisted of 50 questions. 5 marks are rewarded for every correct answer, 2 marks are deducted for every wrong answer, and no marks are given for unattempted question. Find the total marks scored by Aman if he gave 40 correct and 6 incorrect answers. So he has total in all given 40 correct answers. So for those 40 correct answers, the marks that is scored is equal to 40 multiplied by 5, because 5 is what he will get for each correct answer. So it becomes 200. Now for wrong answer, incorrect answer, 6. My marks will be deducted 2 marks. So I have to do here minus 12, because 6 into 2 is 12. So here now just simple subtraction, 10 minus 2 is 8. Then what remains here is 9, right? So 9 minus 1 is 8, and already we have borrowed, so instead of 2 we have got 1 here, so it becomes 188 marks. That is what he has scored in the exam. So question number 45, option C, 188 is the correct answer. I hope I am clear with this is a very simple question, but if in case you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section.